Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about object-oriented programming series unit 1 and array, and for that we were going to see about two-dimensional array. So in this video we are going to see about multidimensional array, and syntax for multidimensional array is data type. Instead of single bracket we are using two brackets. In single dimensional array, for example, in single dimensional array, this is what declaration type is: data type, single bracket, and array variable name. And for data type, space, bracket, and array name, and data type, array name, and bracket. So the bracket is used for sizing, giving the size and size of the array. And here the first three are similar to your single dimensional array. So data type and two brackets, one is for row, another one is for column. The first bracket is used for row, another second bracket is used for column. And array variable name, and second type is data type, space, brackets, and array name. And third type, data type, array name, and two brackets for specifying row and column sizes. And the third is, it is a new one for this particular multidimensional array. One is data type, space, bracket, array variable name, and the int we have bracket. So first is row, another one is column. So for instantiation, this is an example. So int two brackets and array variable name equal to new, that int and size of the array. If row and column size are equal, then it is we have for example 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, 6 cross 6. So your row and column size are equal. In some cases it is not equal. Okay. And for matrix multiplication, we are supposed to make sure that rows and columns are equal. And now we will see an example program. It is for just declaring a variable, declaring and initializing the array variable along with the values assigned to it and printing it in a matrix format. So as usual, at the initial line we are declaring with a class and a class name and public static void main function, and then here we are declaring a variable and initializing the values towards it. Int array of size, and we are in equal to, inside the curly brackets we are assigning the 1 2 3 as an first row value, and 2 4 5 as a next row value, and 4 4 5 as a next row value. These are assigned to the variables, and now I am printing the for loop. So here first I will start with first line. So this is in first line. For for loop I equal to 0 and I less than 3 and I plus plus. So in the initial stage, for first for loop, it checks for I is for row and column is for I is mentioned with rows one by one, and column is mentioned with j is mentioned with column. So I this first row. So for this particular position 0, 0, next is the 2 is for 0, 1 and 3 is for 0, 3. Next is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Next is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. So this is what the index position is for matrix. And we will see about this particular line. So for I equal to 0, so first position, and it is less than 3, so it will comes into the jth loop. So again now j is 0, so it is less than 3 and it is prints. Now ith value is 0 and jth value is 0. So 0, 0, what is valuable presented in the first value, that will be printed here. Now it will increment with the j loop, and now j value is 1 and it is less than the condition. Now again we won't go for 0, it will check for the condition. It is 1, so it will now I is 0, j is 1. Now it will print the value. Next, j is incremented, j value is 2, it is less than 3, so it is 0 comma 2. Now j value is incremented, it is not less than 3, so it is come out of the loop. The next loop, for loop, I loop will be go. I will be incremented. Now I value is 1, it is less than, it is less, and now it is printed. The now 1 2 3s are printed. So jth loop is come out of the loop, and now I value is incremented. Now I value is 1, and it is j value is again initialized with 0, so 0 is less than 3. So now ith value is 1 and jth value is 0, so 1 comma 0. So here it is second, this position, the two values here, right, that value is 1 comma 0. So now the value are printed. Now jth loop is incremented, j value is 1, so 1 comma 1, and again j value is incremented 1 comma 2. So it is printed and it will come out of the loop. Now I value is incremented. The same sequence, it will be print all the three values. And for matrix multiplication, easily you are supposed to remember matrix addition, subtraction and multiplication program for multidimensional array. That's all for the video. Thank you.